received the Giannini Medical Research Fellowship in 1974. It allowed me to start a postdoctoral project located at the research department in the San Diego Zoo. For me, the rest is history. It gave me the opportunity to launch my career at the dawn of an effort at the San Diego Zoo to develop an in-house research capability that would address the needs of the zoo to meet its strategic goals, which were to become the best zoo in the world at breeding its own animals. And that goal, that strategy, has blossomed to produce the world's largest multidisciplinary zoo-based scientific research organization that has activities in 32 countries around the world. I was there from the start. When the San Diego Zoo research effort was started, one of the first activities was the establishment of the frozen zoo. This is the idea of saving high-quality genetic resources, not just as a blood sample or not just as a tissue sample, but as living cells. It was a significant investment in establishing a cell culture facility and a cryobank for saving somatic cells, early passage diploid fibroblast cells, from zoo animals. And over the more than 35 years it's been going on, there's now over 10,000 individual vertebrate animals' cells in the frozen zoo. It's the largest, best characterized, most utilized repository of its kind. It's contributing to the Genomics Revolution. It's contributing to comparative genomics. It's contributed to human medical research as individuals want to understand, here are genes that or genetic systems that are involved in human health and well-being. How did they get to be the way they are? Which means that people want to understand their evolution. So we provide materials to scientists to investigate these questions. So I see a fundamental expansion in this area that I believe it's really strains human abilities to predict. But hopefully others will, start some fundamental new area. One that's clearly in need is advanced computational methods for understanding and dealing with large databases of genetic information from diverse species. There's no funding for the development of the field of conservation bioinformatics right now, but the bright, mathematically inclined individual or individuals with some biological acumen and an intense curiosity are going to be able to take that, and if they can connect with the right home base, make a fundamental contribution to the history of science. So I'm setting the most outrageous goals for myself that I've ever set. I don't know that I'll be able to complete this work, but having the opportunity to discuss it with others, having the opportunity to present this work to others, having the opportunity to speak to the members and the constituency of the San Diego Zoo's community and say, I think that we could make a difference. I think that we could contribute to the fight to end extinctions by doing this is a wonderful opportunity. And I think that we should demand these outrageous expectations, because we're going to need to pull some of them off if we're going to have the world of the future reflect some of the deep values and deep appreciation that we have now for the diversity of nature.